Hi everyone! So for today we are going to discuss numerical solution to differential equation and we're going to focus on the midpoint method. So in midpoint method we have step-by-step solution. So first solve for f of x sub n y sub n. Second step solve for x sub n plus 1 half. And to solve for that, meron tayong formula na x sub n plus h over 2. Third step, solve for y sub n plus 1 half. Si y sub n plus 1 half, meron siyang formula na y sub n plus h over 2 times si function ni f of x sub n y sub n. Fourth step, solve for the value of f of x sub n plus 1 half and y sub n plus 1 half. Fifth step, find for x sub n plus 1. Si x sub n plus 1, makukompute natin siya by applying the formula x sub n plus h. And then sixth step, solve for y sub n plus 1. And to solve for that, you will use the formula y sub n plus h times f of x sub n plus 1 half and y sub n plus 1 half. And lastly, for the seventh step, repeat step 1 to 6 until required value of x is reached.
For midpoint method under numerical DE, we will solve the function xy is equals to sine x plus y. It is given that h is equals to 0.05 and the function has initial value of 0 and 1. We will find y when x is equals to 1. So, gagawin natin dito, lista mo muna yung initial value. Then after that, kung nakuha nating initial value, or yung x sub n, y sub n, substitute natin siya dun sa function natin. Then plus si y sub n. Then after that, click mo sa x sub n plus open parenthesis si h over 2. Pero si h, lalagyan natin $sign. Then next, click mo si yn plus h over 2 $sign times sinakuha nating f of x sub n, y sub n. Then enter. Tapos dito, substitute natin itong nakuha nating x sub n plus 1 half, y sub n plus 1 half sa function natin. So magiging sine sub n plus 1 half plus si y sub n plus 1 half. And dito, gagawin natin is x sub n plus ch. Pero si h lalagyan natin ng $sign. Then last si y sub n plus 1 half, y sub n plus, lagyan natin ng $sign. Then ita-times natin si nakuha natin value dito. So press enter. Then ang next, lista mo lang ulit. Then highlight. Then drag. So yun na. Gawin natin ulit is to drag. Then highlight. Then drag. Itulit lang natin hanggang sa makuha natin yung value ni y kapag si x daw is equals to 1. Okay, so yun. Napalabas na natin si 1. Yung x naging 1 na. So, therefore, ang magiging sagot natin for the problem is si y daw is equals to 3.38, 4532. So, ganun yung sa process ng midpoint method.